Along the road from Brasov to Bucharest, 5 villages are scattered among the green mountains of Transylvania. Today, we're taking you to the Cabana Vanatorla restaurant, located in one of these mountain villages, pre-deal. The building is not only home to the restaurant, but also offers rooms for overnight stays. If you don't speak Romanian, let us mention right away that this 4-star restaurant specializes in game meat. However, as you can see, the menu also features a wide selection of traditional dishes that don't necessarily include game. In any case, we decided to stay true to the restaurant's theme and opted for a hunter-style mixed grill, served with cheese-stuffed mushrooms and fermented vegetables. The platter for 2 cost us 120 Romanian lei, roughly 23 euros, or just 11 euros and 50 cents per person.
Crin mulți și trandafiri au. Da. Asta cred că undeva. Și aveți aici este mistreț, cer, asta mai este de cer, cânați combinație de până. Deci, ce să vede aici este mistreț, cer, asta mai de cer. S-a ciuat la noi, că nu e a noastră.
Da, nu?
Nu, ne-am trezit în primăvară cu ea și n-am mai plecat.
Ah, cine știe de ce.
All in all, this is an experience we would highly recommend. Not only does the restaurant offer great value for money, but its location is truly superb, especially if you love mountains, nature, and a little peace and quiet.